In this video, we will cover everything you need to know about budgeting. We'll go over the basics and share some simple strategies that you can implement today to start saving more money. Budgeting is often touted as a critical financial management tool, but why bother? Well, having a budget can help you track your spending, prioritize your expenses, and avoid going into debt. However, the typical budgeting advice may not work for everyone. One uncommon budgeting tip is to focus on your highest expenses, rather than cutting back on everything. For example, if you spend a lot on eating out, focus on reducing that expense, even if it means spending more on groceries. This targeted approach can help you achieve your budgeting goals without feeling deprived. So, don't be afraid to customize your budget to fit your lifestyle. Another uncommon budgeting tip is to embrace the power of automation. Set up automatic payments for your bills and savings contributions, so you don't have to think about them each month. This can help you avoid late fees and build your savings effortlessly. Thanks for watching.